Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 3 that consists me, Insyira, Rama, and Aziz. Today we will present our project 425. Next slide, please. Okay, so here is our result of our post-viewer analysis about plagiarism. As you can see here, plagiarism is still a trend to research because, as you know, in academic writing, plagiarism is definitely the things that you should avoid. And today, we will planning the research with Quillbot as a AI-based paraphrasing tools to help students enhance their paraphrasing skills and avoid plagiarism in academic writing. As you can see, plagiarism is like a significant issue in academic writing and can have several consequences for students. So by improving their paraphrasing skills by using Quillbot, students can avoid plagiarism and improve the quality of the academic writing. So for the next slide, will be presented by Rama.
Okay, thank you, Davina. So the title that we decide is maximizing the potential of ICT in ALT, the impact of Quillbot on students. In introductions, we highlight the issue of plagiarism in academic writing and how it can have a serious consequences for students. We also introduce Quillbot as an AI-based paraphrasing tool that can help students improve their paraphrasing skills and avoid plagiarism. We put purpose of this research plan that is to investigate how Quillbot can help English language teaching students, ALT, enhance their paraphrasing skills and prevent plagiarism in academic writing. So this research aims to promote academic integrity in higher educations by improving students' writing skills and preventing plagiarism. The next slide will be presented by Rama.
Okay, so we chose to So based on the introduction, we chose several research questions. For the first question is, what is the effectiveness of Quillbot in enhancing ELT students' paraphrasing skills? Second, how does the use of Quillbot affect the quality of the ELT students' academic writing? Third, what are the perceptions of ELT students towards using Quillbot as a tool for avoiding plagiarism? And for the research objective, first, to evaluate the effectiveness of Quillbot in enhancing ELT students' paraphrasing skills. Second, to assess the impact of Quillbot on the quality of ELT students' academic writing. And third, to explore the perception of ELT students toward using Quillbot as a tool for avoiding plagiarism. This objective will be achieved by conducting surveys and interviews with the participants to understand their views towards Quillbot. For methodology, participants is the ELT students from two universities, one from the US and the other is in the United Kingdom. Both will be recruited for the study. The participants will be selected based on their level of English proficiency and their academic background. And for the research design, the study will use a mixed methods approach, combining both quantitative and qualitative data. Participants will be randomly assigned to two groups, a control group and an experimental group. The control group will be asked to paraphrase a given text without the quillbot, and while the experimental group will be provided with quillbot to paraphrase the same text. Both groups will be asked to submit their paraphrase text for the evaluation, and the text will be evaluated based on similarity score, coherence, fluency, and accuracy. For the data collection, quantitative data will be collected by comparing the similarity score of the paraphrase text between the two groups using plagiarism detection software. Also, the quality of the paraphrase text will be evaluated using a rubric that considers coherence, fluency, and accuracy. Qualitative data will be collected through surveys and interviews with the participants to explore their perceptions towards using Quillbot. The surveys will be administered online while the interviews will be conducted via video conferencing. And the last, data analysis. The quantitative data will be analyzed using descriptive statistics, including mean, standard, deviation, and t-test. The qualitative data will be analyzed using thematic analysis to identify common themes and patterns in the participants' responses. So the next presentation will be brought by Aziz.
Next is the ethical considerations. So we will consider the participant, that we will inform them, the participant, the purpose of the study, their rights, and the procedures involved. And next point is that the participant data will be kept confidential and their anonymity will be maintained. So the participant can be rest assured that their personal data will not be leaked. And point 3, the participant will be free to withdraw from the study at any time without the penalty if they can continue the study. Next slide, please. Next slide is about the conclusion. The first conclusion is the study will examine the effectiveness of the fieldwork in improving ELT students' paraphrasing skills and its impact on their academic writing quality. And point number 2, so the ELT student perception toward using fieldwork to avoid plagiarism will be explored, and so the perception of the ELT student can be expanded. They will make a good impression. So the fieldwork for the fieldwork. And point number 3, the study findings can be useful for the educator and researchers in understanding the potential of ICT in improving academic writing and preventing plagiarism in a class. And number 4 point is the research plan aims to contribute to enhancing ELT students' academic writing skills and promoting academic integrity in higher education. For number 5, the study can inform the development of future technology-based tools to support language learners in their writing process. Next. Thank you
Okay.
for
Thank you for your attention, and we welcome any questions or feedback on this research plan. You can comment on this YouTube below, and we value your input and are happy to address any concern or provide additional information. So I think that's all from my group. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.